We watched like it's Christmas Eve, Hanukkah Eve.
This is like my dream house, I'm serious.
Look at mine!
Yours is on fire!
Bom dia! Hey guys, we're starting a day out at the park.
Yeah.
We're gonna have the kids play at the park for a while.
And before we went to the park, when I just woke up, I was doing on YouTube Kids. I was learning how to draw, and I did this really.
Yeah, she did amazing. Check this out. Wait, let's see if it focuses. Look at that.
Yeah.
She drew that
Yeah, look at
freehand. So there's this channel that teaches kids how to draw. And she
really nice.
totally drew that. That's awesome.
The owl.
And then this is like the very first one she did, like today, this morning, which is an owl. But then the other one, she did the Santa Claus. It turned out really good.
This was the last one I did. I did like a lot.
So now we're waiting for mom. She works on Saturday, so she's heading to meet us here.
Really? She
Yeah.
works a lot.
Yeah, mom's a hard worker. Let's go play, and then when mom gets here, I'm gonna go try to go work out. Even though tonight's today's New Year's Eve and tomorrow's New Year's.
Hey guys!
So let's go.
Oh, hey!
Let's go. What?
We
Hey, what?
watched like it's Christmas Eve, Hanukkah Eve. You
My
know
movie.
why?
My movie. There's a movie. What are you talking about? My movie.
And then you ate ice cream at night while we were sleeping. And you and mom.
That's a secret. Happy New Year's Eve!
We're at our friend's house celebrating it.
Yeah.
And I got chocolate.
So this year, instead of doing it at our house, we're actually celebrating New Year's at our friend's house. And they have a beautiful house. It's awesome.
They actually have my dream house. This is like my dream house, I'm serious.
Very
Let me
nice.
fix my hair, hang on. I always use the vlog for it to fix my hair.
Especially their decorations that they got. It's a little bit blurry, but
Look at
it's
the
very
puppy,
nice.
look at the papito. Papito!
Hey, collecting rocks over here? Buddy, you collecting rocks?
I was like, oh my gosh, you guys look at the tree. Oh.
This totally blends in. We was like walking in it, and she's like, "Hey, let's go take a picture." And she's like, "Oh, she almost fell." Which would have been funny. Check out that pool and that hot tub. I'm gonna jump in. This is awesome. And they got a bounce house for the kids, which is gonna be awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's a big bounce.
It's a big bounce house. I'm gonna get in there too. Listen, we're not leaving early.
Come on, puppy, let's go in the bounce house. Nice.
We're Latins, we never leave early.
Beautify Rebecca here for New Year's, giving her that bold lip. Do the duck lip, baby.
This is my fashion guru here, guys. Lily Darkest. It's Lily's mommy's life. You guys know.
We're spending
Always
it
to the rescue.
together.
Always to my rescue.
Yeah, even though she is looking glam right now, but we're glamifying her a little more.
Red lips.
track. Every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be.
Okay, guys, it's the countdown, the final countdown. Say hi! Woo! Wait, it's almost midnight. We're pouring in.
There you go. There you go.
We know we bring it in Mormon style, guys.
There you
We
go.
bring it in. Woo! Guys, 46 seconds. 46 seconds. Grandpa, 46 seconds. 18.
Sorry.
Come here, Lily. Guys, it's 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yours is on fire!
We're kid free.
Woo!
What, halfway?
Half kid free.
Grandma,
My mom took Cash and Lily home because they're exhausted, and we are still partying and karaokeing it at night. 2 a.m. guys. It's New Year's Eve. Woo!
Literally karaoke night. You guys are still awake.
Watching a movie.
So they're watching a movie. I just came to check on them. So we turned a karaoke night into a dance night. So we're dancing now.
David, we're having a malfunction.
And we're closing out the vlog with a night of booty shaking music, guys. We're like music from the 90s. Good old booty shaking music. And Davis killing it on the ping pong with Alex. It's a good match. Alex and Davis on the ping pong table. You guys, it's been a wonderful year. We're super excited for 2017. We have tons of new changes coming up. The girls have kind of sneaked some of those changes to you guys. But we've got lots of, no more candy? Okay, let me go find the candy for you. We're in search of candy because we haven't had enough yet.
That was so much fun, and I'm exhausted. Hope you guys had a great time celebrating New Year's with your family or friends just as much as we did. We had tons of fun, and make sure you guys come back because I'm definitely gonna start posting vlogs daily. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up, and also hit the notifications. It lets you know every time we post a new vlog. So for now, I hope you guys have a great week. We love you guys. Thanks for all the amazing support as usual. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.